Very good evening, boys. Today I am going to start chapter 3, Asana, and its importance. The first question is, define asana. Asana is the third element of yoga. The first two elements are yama, niyama, which you have completed in class 11. Asana is the third element of yoga. Asana is a definite posture to attain flexibility and fitness. It is a comfortable position or posture for a long period of time. It enhances our flexibility, it enhances our fitness. In some other words, in the words of Patanjali, Sthiram Sukham Asanam. That means asana is a position that is very much comfortable and steady, full of pleasure. Now, the next topic is classification of asanas. How many types of asanas are there? There are 3 types of asanas. All the asanas are categorized in 3 groups, 3 sections. One is meditative asana, the second is relaxive asana, and the third is reflexive asana. Meditative asana, relaxive asana, and corrective asana. So meditative asana, the asanas which enhances our meditation, our power to concentrate, are known as meditative asana. Example given: Padmasana, Sukhasana. These asanas improves our meditation. These asanas are meditative asanas. Next, relaxive asanas. There are many asanas which relieves us from anxiety, tension, depression, irritation, frustration, many psychological disorders, stress, which has become the part and parcel of life nowadays because of our hectic schedule, unhealthy and faulty lifestyle. So there are so many asanas which relaxes us, relieves from stress and tension. Example: Savasana, Makarasana. So these relaxes us. And number 3, corrective asanas. There are many asanas which rectify our postural deformities, postural defects. Sometimes we suffer from postural deformities, postural defects due to our faulty lifestyle. Sometimes the students suffer from kyphosis, lordosis. Kyphosis means सामने झुक जाना due to faulty sitting habit. Lordosis, पीछे हिल जाना, पीछे झुक जाना. Lordosis, scoliosis. So all these things you will be studying in posture. So there are so many asanas. Suppose कोई बच्चा सामने झुक गया है due to some faulty lifestyle, due to faulty habit of sitting, sleeping, सामने झुक गया है, तो उसके लिए करेक्टिव आसनस होगा. जो आसन पीछे मुड़ता है वो करेक्टिव आसन होगा. धनुरासन, भुजंगासन. These asanas rectify postural deformities. So that's why these are termed as the corrective asanas. There are 3 types of asanas: meditative asanas, relaxive asanas, and corrective asanas. Thank you very much.